Hey everyone, if you want to change the order of pages in a PDF, PDFsam Basic makes the process quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you how to rearrange PDF pages in PDFsam Basic step by step. First, open PDFsam Basic on your computer. From the main dashboard, select the Merge ** tool, since rearranging pages is done by changing the order of pages or files before creating a new PDF. Next, add the PDF file you want to reorganize. If you need to rearrange pages from multiple PDFs, add all of the files you want to include in the new document. Now adjust the page order based on your needs. If you're working with multiple PDF files, drag them up or down to change their sequence. If you've already split a document into separate pages or sections, arrange them in the order you want before merging them back together. After you're satisfied with the order, choose the destination folder where the new PDF will be saved. Selecting an easy-to-find location makes it simple to access the finished document. Before continuing, review the file order one last time to make sure everything is arranged correctly. Once everything looks good, click the ** Run * button. PDFsam Basic will create a new PDF using the order you've selected. Finally, open the new PDF and check that the pages appear in the correct sequence and that the document looks exactly the way you expected. And that's it. Now you know how to rearrange PDF pages in PDFsam Basic. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.